Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-tackling a question I get all the time. Should I pay for an investment course, or can I learn everything for free? It's a huge question, especially when you're just starting out and every dollar counts. You want to make your money grow, not spend it all on education before you even start. So, let's break down the world of financial education, compare free versus paid resources, and help you figure out the best path for your wallet and your wealth-building journey. First up, let's talk about the amazing world of free resources. And honestly, it's bigger and better than ever before. We're talking about platforms like this one, YouTube, where countless creators share incredible insights on everything from basic stock market concepts to advanced trading strategies. You can find tutorials on how to open a brokerage account, explanations of ETFs and mutual funds, and deep dives into company analysis. The amount of information is staggering. Beyond YouTube, you've got financial blogs from experts, reputable news sites like Bloomberg or the Wall Street Journal, which often have free introductory articles, and podcasts that you can listen to on your commute. Let's not forget about books from your local library. Classics like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel have stood the test of time and can give you a rock-solid foundation. And here's a big one. Many brokerage firms themselves, like Fidelity or Charles Schwab, offer extensive free educational libraries for their clients. These are designed to help you become a better investor because, well, it's in their interest too. They cover topics from retirement planning to technical analysis. So, the bottom line is, you absolutely can build a strong base of investment knowledge without spending a single penny. The main advantage of free resources is, obviously, they're free. This is perfect if you're on a tight budget or just want to dip your toes in the water before committing financially. The variety is also a huge plus. You can learn from different perspectives and find a style that clicks with you. However, there are some downsides to the free route that we need to be honest about. The first is information overload. With so much content out there, it's like trying to drink from a fire hose. It can be overwhelming to know where to start, what's important, and what's just noise. This can lead to analysis paralysis, where you spend so much time learning that you never actually start investing. Another big issue is the lack of structure. Free resources are often scattered. You might watch a video on options trading before you even understand what a stock is. It's on you to piece everything together into a coherent learning path, which can be difficult and time-consuming. You're essentially your own curriculum designer. And finally, there's the quality and credibility problem. Anyone can post a video or write a blog post. How do you know if the advice is sound, or if the person is just trying to sell you on a risky get-rich-quick scheme? Vetting your sources becomes a crucial, and sometimes tricky, part of the learning process. You need to be skeptical and cross-reference information constantly. So, that brings us to paid courses. What are you actually paying for? The biggest benefit of a good paid course is structure and curation. A well-designed course takes you from point A to point B in a logical, step-by-step manner. It starts with the fundamentals and builds on them, ensuring you don't have any knowledge gaps. All the essential information is gathered, vetted, and organized for you, which saves you an enormous amount of time and reduces that feeling of being overwhelmed. Another huge value add is access to a community and expert support. Many paid courses come with access to a private forum, a Discord server, or a Facebook group, where you can ask questions and interact with both the instructors and fellow students. This is invaluable. When you're stuck on a concept, you can get a direct answer instead of searching for hours online. Learning alongside others also provides motivation and accountability. It makes the journey feel less lonely. Furthermore, paid content often goes deeper than free resources. Instructors might share their personal spreadsheets, detailed case studies, or proprietary screening tools that you simply won't find for free. They're giving you their refined system. You're not just paying for information. You're often paying for a proven framework and the expertise that built it. Of course, the main drawback of paid courses is the cost. They can range from a couple of $100s to several thousand, and this is a real barrier for many people. There's also the risk of buying a bad course. The financial education space is full of gurus who overpromise and underdeliver. They show off a fancy lifestyle and promise you'll be a millionaire overnight. But their course is just repackaged basic information you could have found for free. So, how do you avoid getting ripped off? Due diligence is key. Before you buy any course, look for genuine reviews from past students, not just the glowing testimonials on their sales page, but look on Reddit, on Trustpilot, or in independent forums. See what real people are saying. What does the curriculum actually cover? Is it detailed and comprehensive? Who is the instructor? Do they have a credible background and a history of providing real value? Or are they just a good marketer? A great instructor is often active in the community, answering questions and showing they genuinely care about their students' success. Also, check for a money-back guarantee. A confident instructor will stand by their product. So, what's the verdict? Free or paid? Honestly, the best approach for most people on a budget is a hybrid one. Start with the free resources. Dive into YouTube, read the classic books from the library, and explore the educational sections of brokerage websites. Use these to build your foundational knowledge and, just as importantly, to figure out what kind of investor you want to be. Are you interested in long-term, passive index fund investing, or are you more drawn to analyzing individual stocks? As you learn, you'll start to identify your own knowledge gaps. Maybe you understand the basics, but you're struggling with how to properly analyze a company's financial statements. Or perhaps you want to learn a specific options strategy. This is where a paid course can be a fantastic investment. Instead of buying a massive, expensive, everything you need to know course, you can find a more affordable, specialized course that targets your specific weakness. Think of it like this. Free resources are your university's general education requirements. They give you a broad understanding. A targeted paid course is like an advanced elective that you take to major in a specific subject. You're not paying to learn the alphabet again. You're paying for an expert to teach you poetry. For example, if you decide passive investing in ETFs is your strategy, you probably don't need a paid course at all. The free information available is more than sufficient. But if you want to get into value investing and deep dive analyses, paying for a structured course from a reputable expert could save you years of trial and error and potentially a lot of money in mistakes. So, my final advice is this. Don't rush into paying for anything. Start your journey with the wealth of free information at your fingertips. Be curious, be skeptical, and be organized. Take notes. As you grow more confident, you'll be in a much better position to judge whether a paid course is worth the money and, if so, which one is the right fit for you. The goal is to invest in your education wisely, just as you'll learn to invest your money wisely. I hope this breakdown was helpful for you. It's not a simple answer, but building wealth rarely is. It's about making smart, informed decisions every step of the way. And that starts with your education. If you have any favorite free resources or a paid course you found valuable, share it in the comments below. Let's help each other out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one.